Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday and I thought I would film a weekend vlog because it's the Super Bowl tomorrow. And if you watched my other vlogs, I think I vlogged the past 2 years the Super Bowl. We usually go quite all out for it because Danny's a big American football fan. So today's Saturday and we're gonna go to the big Tesco. Oh, I think every time we go to the big Tesco I vlog it because it's just such an exciting experience. If you live in Glasgow, the Mary Hill Tesco is amazing, but it's kind of far from where we are, so we don't go very often.
Put my boots on, eh?
Yeah, it's kind of a trick. But we thought we'd go today. I've got all dressed up. I'm not going to show you my top because it's a bit scandalous, to be honest. But I'm going to try and take a picture in it and hope that you can't see anything. But I have these new pink flares on. And also, I got this new ring today. It came today. Oh. Got it from Depop. Really nice. It's by somebody called Molly May Resin. Molly May? So that came this morning. I'm really happy with it. Also a couple of presents for Danny for Valentine's Day came. So yeah, we're going to... Does my hair look bad like this? So yeah, we're going to the big Tesco. I can't wait. I'm going to see if they've got any nice Valentine's Day things, like decorations. I'm going to buy them. We don't actually really need to go, but it's a fun trip.
Oh my god! The big Tesco.
We've arrived at the big Tesco. There's a ginormous queue. Look at this queue. It wraps all around there and all up there. We're gonna face it.
Big Tesco lights.
I shouldn't have put on lip gloss because now it's sticking to my mask. Here we are at the Valentine's Day section.
That's you. You're a king.
I really like this tray. It's £6. Do you like anything else? Oh, ceramic pet bowl. That's cute. Oh, can we get this?
We can just do it online though. Be in a bag.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that looks quite bougie. Oh, can we please buy that?
No.
Alright, well, I'm not getting anything because Danny won't let me.
Danny just must hate
Juliet. Pyjamas. You have to let me get these.
Yeah, I feel like...
They don't have my size. It's alright, we'll walk around it. How much are they? Oof. Oh. Is that too much to spend? We're having a look in the clothing bit right now because
the only clothes shop
TikTok, open. Yeah, TikTok told me that there were nice clothes in here. Seems they might have lied to me because I'm not loving any of this stuff. We've got this stuff so far. I didn't pick up the Aristocats slippers, even though I'm still thinking about it. They're £13. I feel like that's quite expensive. Should we buy this? Just to be prepared. Oh my gosh! This is all so cute!
You got any more?
Okay, we're back from the shops now, so I'm gonna give you a haul. Also, yes, we still have the Christmas tree up.
We need a bit of Christmas cheer.
So the first thing, you've already seen these. They're already opened, Danny already had one. We got some rolls, these finger rolls, 2 packets. I got this moisturiser. It was originally £11, but with a club card, it's £5.50. That's good.
Banging.
I don't know how it's so expensive though, because it's like Nivea. Nivea's usually like kind of cheap. We got some pasta because we're gonna make a bolognese tonight. My favourite. Got a cauliflower because we're gonna make cauliflower wings tomorrow because we're healthy. Fajita chicken thing. Danny wanted to buy this.
Well, it's that cheap.
We got passata for bolognese. We got hot sauce for the cauliflower wings. We got these. Danny wanted to buy these. We got them last year. They're literally so disgusting. I don't know how you like these, but Danny wanted to get them. We got some hot dogs. I'm gonna have one now. Don't judge me, alright? I know you're judging me, I can feel it.
You love a hot dog?
Yeah, hot dogs are nice, okay? You're lying if you say they're not nice.
I'll eat them, but they're a bit minging.
This is really exciting. Not to drink straight, obviously. Straight? But we are gonna make pints of fun. Because we haven't had one of them in a long time. So we still need to get vodka and...
Make pints of fun and play ABBA all night.
And pretend we're back in beer bar.
I'll go on your shoulders and you go on Elle's shoulders and I'll slam see them.
We still need to buy vodka and lemonade for them. Got another bottle. Just in case we want to be crazy. And then...
Orange is the best, by the way.
Yeah. If you're going to Glasgow, you need you're going to beer bar. get an orange one with this.
Yeah.
And we got a Hershey's milk chocolate.
Oh, what?
Hershey's.
Hershey's.
Yeah, so that's everything we got. That was a fun outing. Danny's eating Domino's that we had last night. My mum and dad sent me flowers yesterday.
Why did you send you flowers?
Just because, I don't know. They just sent me, it wasn't because of that.
Because of what?
My mum and dad sent me flowers yesterday in the post. It was such a nice surprise. So this is them. They're so nice. And my sister, I was getting absolutely treated yesterday. My sister sent me this box of like Kinder stuff from like this company. It's called Sweetie Post. And it's absolutely delicious. So I was having a great day yesterday. So right now it's about 4, isn't it? And what is there to do?
Kitchen tidy.
Oh yeah, we need to tidy the kitchen because as you can tell it's disgusting. We want it to be nice and tidy for the Super Bowl tomorrow. And we started watching Downton Abbey. If anybody's seen it.
Said that yet?
I haven't vlogged in a while.
Oh.
Well, I might have already vlogged that, but I made Danny start watching it and you're enjoying it, aren't you?
Yeah.
I've already seen it before. It's really good. And that's really all that we're doing right now. Oh, my video went up. I forgot about that. Okay, bye. See you later. Bartender beer one. Do you remember the really tall guy?
Hey, George.
It was shows like this, key events in the countryside calendar, that would help to keep the agricultural community together. Most would calendars for the events.
I'm starting today's clips off kind of late. It's already 4, but we ended up having a few drinks last night and I woke up not feeling the best. So I've had a pretty slow morning, but today is obviously Super Bowl Sunday. I'm currently just like wearing a jumper and the pink flares I was wearing yesterday, but I'm gonna get changed in a bit to something American football themed. I don't actually know who's actually in the Super Bowl, but I'll wear one of Danny's 49ers jumpers, I think. Also, my hair looks such a mess. I thought, you know, I'd leave it natural, but it just looks really bad. I've actually been listening to High School Musical for the past like hour, and I think I might bake, but I need to start like putting out stuff soon. I mean, obviously the Super Bowl's so late, but we always like to have like a wee party. And obviously I feel like I don't need to say this because it's kind of obvious, but like obviously everyone who's coming to our Super Bowl party are just the people we live with. We're literally having it in the living room. I just don't want anyone to get the wrong idea and think that we're having other people over, which we're not. I feel like I've been talking for ages. I look really bad. I just don't suit like high necks. Just give me a double chin. I kind of feel like watching High School Musical now, to be honest. Also, I did a nice face mask. I feel like my skin feels really nice. It was this one, let me show you. It's this one. I also did some Depop orders this morning and there's nothing really exciting going on. I feel like now I'm just talking for the sake of talking. I just spilt my smoothie on our bed. We're off to a good start. So we're on our way right now to Waitrose to get the last few bits. It's only like 7:30 right now and it doesn't start till 11:30 and I'm already tired.
4 hours to kick off.
So I might have to get like an energy drink or something like that. I've started to lay out some of the snacks. So we've got some cookies here. These are the ones I made. I only made those. And then we've got some crisps and we're gonna not do the hot food yet because it's still only 8:30. I might need a coffee.
What, at night?
Yeah, because I'm really
Well,
tired.
it's half-time coffee, so you can
Yeah,
that was you.
kind of tired now. So we've got the office on right now while we're just waiting for everyone to arrive from literally the bedrooms.
Nobody cares about us. This is like, you know that meme? I was like, my granddad had a birthday party and nobody came.
That's us with the snacks. Do you want to know a fun story actually that happened to me last year on Halloween?
Oh yeah, we all came.
Yeah, Danny and Iona and Rebecca came. Yeah, nobody else showed up.
For your Halloween party, you forgot to explain what it was. This is you being rubbish at stories again. Juliet had a Halloween party, nobody turned up. See how easy it is?
And you know that happened to me also when I was young. Remember I told you that too? Me, my brother and sister had a Halloween party and all of their friends showed up and none of
You know, at some point it stops being just bad luck, Jules.
It's fine, I've got over it.
Anyway.
I'm over it now, it's fine. I don't want a Halloween party anymore.
Pardon me.
Okay, bye. We'll see you later if I haven't fallen asleep. Oh, do you want to see my outfit? I'm wearing this 49ers jumper.
Reversible.
It is reversible. The other
You
side's
need
red.
to zoom in on what it says. Can they see?
Says
49ers San Francisco.
got this for Danny for
I don't
Christmas last year.
Yeah. And you got this one for Christmas this year.
Yeah, that's Colin Kaepernick one. And then I'm wearing it with these flares. We won who did you want to win?
Come on.
Tampa Bay.
There we go.
A lot of people say Tom Brady, but I think the guys that. What do you mean? Hell, it's hot.